Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to preview and playback videos on Homaxi VMS. Stay with us. Before you start, make sure the device has been added to VMS and is online. You'll learn how to add the device after watching this video. First, open the VMS software and click on Preview. In the left side group list, select the device list you want to play. Click the Preview button, and the right side window will display the preview interface. Right-click on the right side window, a menu of various shortcut functions and settings options will appear. For example, you can select the stream type, enable audio, take screenshots, and more. And click the snapshot button to directly view the captured photo. Alternatively, you can move the mouse to the top of the window screen to automatically display the same shortcut buttons, which will disappear when the mouse is moved away. Before starting the setup, make sure the device itself is already recording properly. Open Playback and select Video Playback. Then select the recording date you want to query and choose the corresponding channel. Double-click on the device name and the playback video will be displayed in the right side area. And you can also drag the pointer on the bottom menu bar to adjust the time for playback. Select the starting point of the recording you want to download. Click the scissors button and drag the recording progress bar. Select the end time point for downloading the recording, and click the scissors button again. This will automatically display the list of downloaded files for this time period. You can choose the format for downloading the recording. Click OK to start the download, and the download progress will be displayed by clicking the download icon in the upper right corner. After the download is complete, you can directly click on Show Folder in the download list to automatically open the folder where the downloaded files are located. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.